Hi guys, Lindsay. If you have tried everything and nothing working for you and you can't download apps, right? And it just says pending. The first thing in which you want to try is you want to go to storage in your settings. So you want to ensure that you have sufficient storage because it can be that you are almost out of storage as to why you can't get to download any apps. So you want to ensure that you have internal storage space, right? So as you can see, we do have space on this device, so we shouldn't have a problem, right? We can go to trash and we can empty the trash, right? So maybe you need to free up phone storage space in order to download apps, right? If you're still not able to download apps and this are still saying pending, right? So let me see. Let me just search for like HP Smart. Hit it. It should download. We shouldn't have a problem. It says pending. And as you can see here, it's downloading. So ensure that you have storage space on your device. Also, if you have an external card in your phone or an SD card, ensure that it is functional so that you can download apps. That's one of the most important key factor here. Also, if you're still having problems, guys, you want to try a different Wi-Fi. Maybe there is something that is not configured in your Wi-Fi router that is causing you not to download the app. And if you have tried a different Wi-Fi and for some reason you can't download app, then I suggest that you check your Android version, right? So if you are below at least 6.0 Android system, it means that your phone is outdated. For this phone, we are on Android 11. And if you're still unable to download apps, I recommend that you do a force restart. To do so, you hold the volume down and the power button and you restart your device. When you see the Samsung logo, you release. Right guys, we should be able to download apps. If you're still not able to download apps using your Play Store, then I recommend you doing a factory reset or an update. So if your phone is not pending for an update, for those of you who know how to update your firmware using your computer, you can do so. But basically, you can also check for your update in settings. Let us see if we have any updates available. If not, guys, then you know. If you're still having this problem, I recommend you doing a factory reset. You will have to back up your info and you do a factory reset, because you should be able to download apps. So let's see. About phone. And you scroll down, system update. Let us see if we have any update available. This one is set for automatical download over Wi-Fi. I believe that this is up to date, but we are going to check anyway. So as you can see, it is up to date, and that's why we are able to download apps. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful. If you're still not able to download apps, please let me know in the comment section. I'll help you guys out in the best possible way I can. As I showed you guys, you should be able to update or download apps And also I do have other informative videos on how you can do this on my channel as well. So if you're new here, guys, I suggesting that you check those videos out. My name is Lens, and I hope that this was helpful. Bye bye.